making a left. He just hit the retaining wall. He's still going. Going west on Mountain Boulevard. West on Mountain Boulevard. People here today. That's on the shoulder. He's still blacked out. We're headed west. He's 100. Traffic's light. Right, still round down, keep 100. TVI. Head! Show me your fucking head! Let her rock, roll over, start medical. Show me your heads now! Show me your heads! Get them up! Show me your heads! I'll shoot you! Hold on, please! Show me your fucking hands! I'm gonna go around the tree. Sounds good. Hey, keep your hands where I can see them now! Got kids? Yeah. Over here. Baby, get here now! The rocks in the house medical. There is shooting in front. We can see this. I got you if you want to go. Baby, get here now! Hands, motherfucker! Give me your kid right now! Hand your kid out the goddamn window! Hand me your kid, you stupid motherfucker! I can't see how to get out, man! Hand the kid out the back window! I know, baby. Just hold on, baby. Keep your hands off the damn passenger. Hey, baby, come here. Hold on, baby. Hold on. Baby, walk to me. Can she fit out of that? Yes, she can. Walk to me, baby. Come here. Hold on, Tilly. Hold on. I want you to take your tablet with you. Okay? Okay, and I want you to call your mom. I got his hands inside, guys. Just a second. Here, I got these branches off you guys. Hey, give me the tablet. Give me your kid now. I'm not worried about the goddamn tablet. Hey, man, I know what Shut your mouth and do what I'm telling you to do. I know what y'all. Hey, baby. baby, walk over here now. Come here, baby. Don't. Hey, hand me your child right now.
Man.
Shut your mouth and do it. Hey, baby. Baby. Baby, crawl out the window to me, please. I know you're scared.
Sorry, I'm about to pass you the tablet.
Give it here. Now come here, baby.
Is she on? Did she answer the tablet?
The tablet's here. Give me your kid.
Here she comes.
Come here, baby. I will, baby. Come here. I'm so sorry that your father did this to you, okay? Come here, sweetie. Hey, give me your baby now. Give me the baby. Shut your mouth and do what I'm telling you to do. Give me your kid, or I'm going to rip you out of this car.
I hear his mom.
Give me the kid then. No! Give me the kid now!
I'm asking you, sir.
Shut your fucking mouth and give me the kid.
Shut my mouth. I'm asking you. Let his mom come get him. Could you please let his mom come get him?
Give me your child now.
Let his mom come get him. She's here. I hear her.
Man, if you look in the front right seat of my car, in my bag, I've got one in there. It's got an orange handle in the very front.
Come on, man.
Give me your baby.
I hear her out there. Let her come.
She's not coming by this car. Give me the kid and I will hand her to him.
Okay,
To him, to her.
Take the bag. What's going on?
Give me the baby now. Hey. Listen up, buddy.
Hey, can you tell him stop doing that?
No, give me the kid.
We both coming out.
Hand the baby out. Hand the baby out. You understand? Hand us the baby.
Out, man. We both coming out.
Hand us
Stop
the
beating
baby.
on the car.
Hand us the baby.
Give me the child now. Anybody leaving?
Hold your hands out.
Dude, if you try anything, immediately. How many more babies are in there?
Hold your arms out.
How many more babies are out there? He's giving it up.
That's it.
That's it? Keep your hands out.
Here I go.
Hey.
Secure that bag, guys.
I'm out.
Keep your hands out.
Keep my hands out, visible. Hey, man, hey. Hold on, wait, my leg.
Shut up. Get out of the car.
I'm finna get out if you let me
Get
get out.
Get out of the car.
I'm about to do, you gotta.
You're not getting your arms back. Get out of the car.
I'm telling you, my leg, though.
What's wrong
I
with
do
your
not
leg?
care.
I know, but you gotta let me move
What's wrong
it.
with your leg?
It's stuck. Put your knee down. It is down, man. You can let me get out. I can actually get out if you let me get out.
You're not
Just let
getting
me get out.
Move your legs and get out of the car.
Dude, let me get out. You won't let me get out.
Hey.
You got my hands, y'all got me. I'm not going anywhere. Just let me get out.
Move your legs and get out of the car.
If y'all would let me go, you got me wedged in. I'm trying to tell you right here.
Give me this.
I can ease out, I promise.
Quit pulling your arm.
Okay,
Unflex your legs, okay?
I can ease out, is what I'm saying. That's all I'm saying.
Grab that belt.
You got both of my hands.
You gave him his arm, Roy, dude. Can you read your order? I got his arm.
I'm saying I can get out, though. I can make it easier, bro. What the fuck? Just let me push myself out, man.
All right, push yourself out there. Push yourself out.
I'm not going nowhere, bro. I
Push yourself out.
Damn. That's what I'm saying. Now you got me.
Lay on your face.
Turn around.
My hand.
Give me his arm.
All the kids were non-life threatening, all that.
What do you got to do for us right now?
There's no significant injury to his minor only.
You got your light? No, I'll go grab it. Yeah, I got it. You're good. Grab his right arm. Pull him out.
Stand up. Make sure you get searched.
That was working. Your kid's in the car.
Definitely wasn't.
stupid, man. Stay over the hood. Stay right there. Quit moving. I know you ain't.
Lawmill Boulevard in County, Arkansas, Boy George Victor 776 Boy, AGD 76B, on a over to.
Walk your feet back. You want some blood? Yep. There's blood all over me. Those kids good? We're gonna.
They said they don't like recognized.
Okay, good.
They with them then.
Shut up. Move around. You cared about him, you just stopped. You got anything on you?
No.
Anything like that?
I don't have anything. Completely clean.
Rest against that bumper. We're good with him if you want to start checking him out medically. What y'all need? Damn, 10-15 right now. We're in a tow truck.
Got any tow slip? Got any? Garrison's call, nothing to out. Have you Mirandized him yet?
Have not, no sir.
What'd you stop him for?
Speed.
Speed. Did you get up there to the car at all?
Yes, I walked all the way up to almost to the back bumper.
And he just all but
to go. He was doing 80 right there at 630 and 8 where it goes down to 55. So he's 80 and 55.
Rolling, dude. With the kids in the car.
With the kids in the car.
Yeah, any alcohol impairment you're aware of right now?
Not that I'm aware of.
A couple of open bottles,
Okay.
I searched that back like good. It's just baby shit. So if you're good, I'll give that back to that mother.
Yes, sir.
So, do you want to charge that mother for anything for sprinting across here and creating?
No, I didn't even see her.
You're not worried about it.
I didn't even see her charge.
Mom Mel said that I don't know where her car went. That they were rolling up on you, and here she comes running across the road over to meet y'all.
I didn't even see her.
Yeah. Hang on. Car's good?
Yes, sir.
Were you already missing that black piece back here?
Yes, sir. I just got the exhaust straight today when I came on shift at 2:30.
Did you already stop your video and restart it?
No, sir.
Do that. Oh, yeah. That's too easy.